Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will learn how to search and apply for jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn helps you find relevant jobs that suit your skills and qualifications. You can either search for a job using the search field on top of the LinkedIn homepage, or you can directly access the jobs page where you can search and apply for jobs. Millions of jobs are posted on LinkedIn every day, so it's important that you're able to find the right job postings that fit your expectations and requirements. For searching jobs on LinkedIn, click the jobs icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Jobs page will open and then you can select from the job roles suggested by LinkedIn based on your qualification and experience. Please make sure that you've updated your LinkedIn profile with your experience, education, and other information. You can also click the Search Jobs field and enter keywords or a company name. Enter the job location that you prefer in the Search Location field and hit Enter. You will be directed to the search results page where you will see a list of job postings that suit your job role and location preference. Use the filters options like date posted, experience level, company, job type, etc. at the top of the search results page to filter the results. To apply for the jobs, first understand that there are two types of job postings on LinkedIn. Easy Apply. This allows you to apply for the job on LinkedIn. Apply. You will be redirected to the company or third-party website where you can apply for the job externally. Now to apply, click the job posting to view the job description, and if the job suits your requirement, then click on Easy Apply button. Contact info dialog will open. Provide the necessary details, and click Next button. Resume dialog will appear. Upload resume, and click Next button. Additional questions dialog will appear, and then answer all the questions and click Review button. Review your application dialog will appear, and review your details, and then click Submit application button. Once you do so, your application will be submitted. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.